2 years ago, my tiny 400 square foot studio apartment went kind of viral, and I'm so excited to say I finally upgraded to an apartment with a bedroom door. It is still very unfinished, so I've kind of been procrastinating making this, but I'd love for any of your suggestions. So first we have the bathroom, pretty standard, and then I was so excited to have not one, but 2 closets in this apartment, the first being this coat closet. The kitchen, kind of looking bare. I'm going to put something on the wall here if you have any ideas. Now with this empty space in the middle, I'm going to add a small dining table. I'm still looking for the perfect one. I did have one for like a week that I ended up returning. And this closet is a luxury, a washer and dryer, but there's no other usable space in here. My favorite part of this apartment right now is my desk. I feel like it is so cozy. I love sitting here. Then we have the living room. I definitely want to add some decor on the wall behind the couch and some curtains, but I just love that I have a skyline view when I sit here. And now onto the biggest change for me, having an actual bedroom. It is still very unfinished because I did not have any bedroom furniture coming from a studio, but I do have a bed frame on the way that I'm so excited about. And then don't judge me for the mess in here, but I do have a walk-in closet, which is also a huge upgrade for me. I'm hoping to make a lot of progress on this hopefully in the next month, so it is ready by the time we are stuck indoors for Chicago winter. So I will keep you posted.